Ukraine's T-84 Oplot tank is considered to have the same power as Russia's T-90M and is slightly better than the T-90A and even the upgraded T-80BVM. Ukrainian Defense Minister Oleksii Reznikov said that the Ministry of Defense of Ukraine has decided to order T-84 Oplot tanks from Ukroboronprom, a state defense corporation for the Ukrainian army. The tank was developed by Kharkiv Morozov Machine Building Design Bureau for the Ukrainian Armed Forces to replace Soviet-era T-64s and T-72s. In the past, the T-80 was considered the national treasure of the Soviet Union, carrying many breakthroughs. Both Russia and Ukraine rely on this tank platform to upgrade. While Ukraine is the T-84, Russia is the T-80BVM. It is known that the T-84 Oplot is a domestic main battle tank of Ukraine produced based on the Soviet T-80UD. Although it is considered a tank with a good combat ability, unfortunately the Thai budget makes it impossible for Ukraine to equip it in large numbers. Estimated cost of the T-84 Oplot is about $6 million per unit. Currently, the Ukrainian army is operating about 10 T-84 Oplots. During the conflict in eastern Ukraine from 2014 until the beginning of the war launched by Russia, still did not launch this tank line into combat. Analysts said that Ukraine's refusal to let the T-84 Oplot enter the war was to ensure the reputation of this tank, which is a key export item. There is also an opinion that Ukraine does not have enough T-84 Oplot tanks to launch on the battlefield. In the current context, the production of T-84 Oplot tank is necessary for the Ukrainian army. Previously, in independent evaluation tests, all showed that the tank had a good combat capability equivalent to the Russian T-90M. This means that the T-84 can outperform even the latest upgraded Russian version T-80BVM. It is fair to say that tanks developed by Ukraine still have their own strengths, especially engines and fire control systems. Compared to the T-80, the T-84 uses a diesel engine instead of a gas turbine engine, which offers greater durability, lower operating cost, but also poorer performance, especially in cold weather. The T-84 is powered by a 16.3-liter KMDB 6TD2 6-cylinder diesel engine with 1,200 horsepower. Some variants are powered by a more powerful 6TD3 turbocharged diesel engine, developing 1,500 horsepower. Auxiliary gas turbine power unit is fitted to power all the tank systems when the main engine is turned off. The maximum speed can reach 65 km per hour. The range is 540 km. The tank has a weight of about 46 tons, a length of 7 meters, a width of 3.77 meters, and a height of 2.21 meters. The crew of 3 includes driver, gunner, and commander. The T-84 is fitted with a fully welded turret and is fitted with built-in explosive reactive armor blocks. Protection is enhanced by STORA 1 countermeasure system, significantly increasing tank survivability against anti-tank guided weapon with semi-active or semi-automatic guidance. Similar to the T-80UD, the T-84 is equipped with a 125mm smooth bore gun with an automatic loader. This MBT is also compatible with the 9K119M reflex anti-tank guided missiles. Effective range of fire with APF SDS route is 2,000 to 3,000 meters a day and 2,000 to 2,600 at night. Armor penetration is about 590 to 630 mm at 2,000 meters range. Secondary armament consists of a coaxial 7.62 mm machine gun and a roof-mounted 12.7 mm heavy machine gun. The fire control system includes a gunner's day sight, PNK6 commander's panoramic sighting system, PTT2 thermal imaging sight, anti-aircraft sight, and anti-aircraft gun control system. Detection range of targets for a thermal sighting system is up to 8 km. The advanced fire control system enables the gunner or commander to lay and fire the main armament on the move. With such parameters, the T-84 Oplot can be considered a steel tiger on the battlefield, but it needs time to prove its capacity.